Alright, we're gonna go over the finish now. Look at the thundering herd.
He's maybe like 20 people behind the huge pack of con people, but it's like not long at all because they're all together.
Yeah, there's that pack that's the top schools, Middlebury, Williams, Tufts, Bowdoin. I mean, they're all. Those NESCAC schools, there's a lot of D1 schools.